In 1964, when Seat's Barcelona Zona Franca factory was thriving as a modern production facility, the company faced a unique challenge: how to transport high-ranking visitors and political dignitaries during factory tours. The solution came through a collaboration with Italian coach builder Carrozzeria Savio, resulting in one of the most unusual variants of the Seat 600 ever created. Seat commissioned two specially modified vehicles based on the Fiat 600 Multipla platform. The design work was handled by Italian designer Pietro Frua, while Savio executed the conversion. These weren't ordinary factory shuttles. They were purpose-built showcase vehicles meant to impress presidents and ministers while navigating narrow production aisles. The Panoramica's most distinctive feature was its six-window body configuration, complemented by an expansive windshield and rear window. The removable hardtop allowed completely unobstructed views of the manufacturing process below. At just 3.8 meters, approximately 12.5 feet long, and weighing 725 kilograms, approximately 1,598 pounds, the vehicle maintained exceptional maneuverability despite accommodating 6 passengers across 3 rows of seats. Mechanically, the Panoramica retained the standard Fiat 600D powertrain, a rear-mounted, longitudinal 767 cubic centimeters 4-cylinder engine producing between 25 to 30 horsepower, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The 12-inch wheels and drum brakes at all 4 corners were perfectly adequate for its low-speed factory duties. General Franco used one of these vehicles during his third visit to the Seat factory in 1966, accompanied by the Minister of Industry. Historical photographs from that visit clearly show the vehicle's distinctive profile as it wound through assembly lines. Today, only one example is confirmed to exist, residing in Seat's historical collection at Nav A122 in Martorell. This surviving Panoramica has accumulated approximately 13,000 kilometers, approximately 8,078 miles, almost entirely within Seat's factory grounds. The vehicle recently received recognition at the Espiritu del Jarama Concours d'Elegance in Madrid, winning the Most Original Design Award, a fitting tribute to this peculiar minibus that once carried Spain's most powerful figures through the heart of Spanish automotive manufacturing.